Welcome to ReactNative Mastery. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of setting up your development environment for React Native. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start building amazing cross-platform mobile apps using React Native. But before we begin, if you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more updates and exciting React Native content. Now, let's dive in. According to the documentation, there are two ways to create a React Native project. Using Expo or using React Native CLI, you have the option to choose one of these methods based on your preferences and level of familiarity with mobile development. If you're new to mobile development, the easiest way to get started is with Expo. Expo is a comprehensive set of tools and services built around React Native. It offers a range of features, but for our purposes, the most important feature is its ability to get you writing a React Native app within minutes. All you need is a recent version of Node.js and a phone or emulator to run your app. On the other hand, if you're already familiar with mobile development and have experience with Xcode or Android Studio, you may prefer to use React Native CLI. This method requires the installation of Xcode for iOS development or Android Studio for Android development. If you already have one of these tools installed, you should be able to set up and run a React Native project within a few minutes. However, if you don't have them installed, you should allocate about an hour to install and configure them properly. In most cases, Expo Managed React Native is the preferred choice for many developers. Expo manages many of the low-level operations, making the development process more streamlined and accessible. One advantage of Expo is its ease of use and the ability to quickly prototype and develop apps. It provides a wide range of pre-built components, ready-to-use APIs, and a simplified development workflow. However, it's important to note that Expo does have some limitations. If you require custom native modules or need access to advanced device features, you may find React Native CLI more suitable for your needs. React Native CLI provides greater flexibility and allows for more extensive customization and integration with native code. Keep in mind that you can always convert an Expo project into a React Native CLI project and vice versa. This flexibility allows you to start with Expo for rapid development and then switch to React Native CLI if you require more advanced capabilities. By considering these factors, you can make an informed decision about which approach best suits your needs and proceed with creating your React Native project. Let's start by creating an Expo Managed React Native project. For more details about Expo, you can visit the official website at expo.dev. Open your File Explorer and navigate to the location where you want to manage your project. Once you're in the desired location, open the terminal or command prompt on your computer. In the terminal or command prompt, make sure you are in the correct directory by verifying the current location. Then type the command as npx create expo app and preferred name for you. As example, I named my app as my first Expo app. Then press enter to execute the command. This will initiate the project creation process. The Expo CLI will then set up your project by installing the necessary dependencies and generating the initial project structure. This may take a few moments to complete, depending on your internet connection speed. Once the process is finished, you'll have a fully functional Expo Managed React Native project with a basic structure and configuration files. Then type CD in your project name to go inside to the project. In my case, CD my first Expo app. Then type code space dot to open your project through Visual Studio Code editor. In the next video, we'll explore the generated project and start building our React Native app using Expo. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates. Thank you for watching.